Hi, I'm Katherine, an illustrator and designer in Corning. I've always had an eclectic interest in the visual arts. I've worked as an ethnographic photographer, a graphic designer, and a web designer. Now I design fabric, stationery, and jewelry with bright and cheerful colors. I love to paint with natural media like gouache and acrylic, but lately I've found myself drawing and painting almost entirely with my iPad. I love how flexible the iPad is. With my iPad and just a couple of apps, I can turn my drawings into digital stickers and coloring pages, create fun animations to share on social media, make custom stationery, and create repeat patterns to print on fabric, clothing, or accessories. Pairing the iPad with my cutting machine lets me take things in even more directions, like making stickers and embellished cards, or even combining traditional and digital media to make things like handmade screen prints. I'm so excited to be teaching 5 new workshops at 171 Cedar Arts this spring. Each workshop is individual, so you can take just one and have a great time. However, the workshops also complement each other, so if you take more than one, you'll have the opportunity to build your skills and create a more complex project each time. Total beginners will have just as much fun as seasoned artists and creators. Check out the workshop descriptions at the links below, and I hope to see you in class soon.